All right, let's dive into a really critical question at the heart of South African law.
You see, for years, this one question has been a major source of tension.
It's that classic legal balancing act, right? The right to strike versus keeping people safe.
The whole journey to find some answers really begins with a landmark case that shifted the entire debate.
This gave us what's called the Garvis principle, and it's all about managing risk, not about punishment. Suddenly, damage during a strike wasn't just a side effect, it had a real legal consequences.
But that ruling kind of created a new problem. More than a decade of legal confusion.
Employers were stuck with two messy competing paths: go to the high court or the labor court.
The result? Well, it was jurisdictional chaos. Different courts were giving completely different answers.
But over time, the court started to draw a really crucial distinction.
They separated the legality of the strike itself from the actual conduct of the people in it.
And then the Mass Mart decision finally came along, bringing some much-needed clarity.
This ruling basically clarified which court handles which claim. It closed one door and opened another.
Now, this wasn't a step back from the Garvis principle. Think of it more as a refinement.
So the new landscape has clearer rules, but also much higher stakes for both sides.
So what's the big takeaway here? The whole focus has shifted from abstract debates to practical questions.
And this is now the central question the courts have to answer.
You know, this whole journey shows a maturing legal system where rights and responsibilities go hand in hand.
So the question is no longer if unions are liable, but how it's got to be proven. And that changes everything.